as if it's time for our final act of the night. And he will be bringing some serious heat of bebop experience, alright? Now, check this, right? As a breakout soloist, known for his killer style, swag, and sick rap lines that are sure to leave you wanting more. With his unique blend of music and fashion, right? So get ready to be blown away as he takes the stage and shows us all what bebop is all about. Without further ado,